What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on GMT, Green Metaverse token, which has pumped up about 15% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just above 26 cents. And as you can see guys, throughout the last 24 hours it has been increasing in value, especially right now it has taken quite a big hit in a positive direction. So that's what we're going to be going through in today's video, looking at: is it time to buy right now? Is it too late? If you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? Or is it simply time to hold on to the crypto before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days, weeks, and so on? And also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, how high can GMT go? And is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website, and the market is down just about 1.6% in the last 24 hours, and we do have GMT as one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. As you can see here, in the last hour itself it has managed to pump up over 3% in value, over the last day 15%, over the week 24%, and over the month 34%. So every single week it has been moving towards a positive direction, gradually building it up to 35% over the last 4 weeks. Hopefully we can maintain that and keep going up and up and up over the coming weeks and months as well, potentially heading towards the dollar mark. But the main question is, when is it going to hit the dollar mark? Is it going to be anytime soon? Is it even going to be this year? That's what we're going to have to look into. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 270%, making it $194 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on GMT. We're seeing a lot more traders, a lot more buyers, a lot more sellers, as it is one of the top gainers. It is getting a lot of attention, meaning more traders, and it is also helping the value of this crypto pump up as well. So yeah, all in all, it is positive vibes from this crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of GMT, which is here in purple at 23 cents. However, we can see it trading at slightly higher value here in green at nearly 27 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here guys? As you guys can see, we've got both the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning increases in value are expected from GMT over the next 12 to 14 hours. So let's say by midday tomorrow we should expect GMT to be trading at slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. So potentially near about hitting 29 to 30 cents is what I'm expecting, or well, let's keep it as 28 to 30 cents is what I'm expecting from GMT over the next 12 to 14 hours. So slow and steady increases in value. However, that doesn't mean we're not going to hit any, take any red candles in between. Of course we are. It's likely to be quite volatile, up and down, just like how it's been, but moving towards a positive direction. So that is exactly what I'm expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours from GMT. But again, nothing too crazy, nothing too major. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Still looking very bullish guys. We've got both the blue and the orange line looking quite steep, heading towards a bullish direction. So again, an overall increase in value is what is expected from GMT over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say towards the end of this week, I'm expecting GMT to be heading over the 30 cents target. but it has been a slow and steady increase over the last 4 weeks. So that's what I'm expecting. Again, a slow and steady increase, potentially hitting about 33 to 34 cents towards the end of this week, and early next week is what I'm expecting. Not gonna say it's gonna hit 40-50 cents, because it's gonna have to take it slowly. And again, that doesn't also mean we're gonna be not hitting red candles in between. Of course, we are likely to hit red days in between as well, where it's likely to take a little bit of a hit, but as long as the overall outcome is positive, that's all that matters. And at this point, it does seem to be going that way. So guys, do expect GMT to be trading over 30 cents towards the end of this week. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, guys, we've got both the blue and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction. So more increases in value are expected from GMT over the next 6 to 8 weeks. So early to mid September 2023, I'm expecting GMT to once again increase in value, potentially hitting about 50 to 55 cents is what I'm expecting in September. However, this of course depends on how the crypto market performs, and to be specific, how Bitcoin performs. As you guys can see, it has dropped just below $30,000, which is not too great, but again, hopefully over the next 2 to 3 months we should see Bitcoin going over $35,000 to $40,000, which should have a positive impact on the crypto market. However, it is cryptocurrency, it is a volatile market, it could go either way. It could even drop down to 20k, which is of course going to have a negative impact on the crypto market. So things like this, guys, can have a major impact, not just on Bitcoin or GMT, but the whole crypto market in general. And that is why I tend to keep you guys updated on a regular basis on the crypto market, what to expect, what to predict, and so on. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far so good. All the charts, including the 30-minute, hourly and daily chart, have been looking quite positive. But again, just because it's looking positive, it doesn't mean it's going to be a major increase in value or a major pump or anything like that. It is likely to be minimal increases in value over the next coming weeks. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on GMT, guys. Again, the main question was, when is it likely to hit the dollar mark? Potentially towards the very end of the year is when I'm expecting GMT to be hitting the dollar mark, or early next year, again depending on how the crypto market performs. But yeah, what I want you guys to do is let me know in the comment section down below, when are you guys expecting GMT to be hitting the dollar mark? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash the subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.